What's going on YouTube? It's Nature Not in the Family. I want to sit here and bring you in close and look at this tree stump that's decaying. It is covered in mycorrhiza, mycelium. I'm going to plant a tree directly in this. I just planted a pecan tree right there, in which after I see this, I should have planted it in here, but look at all this mycorrhiza fungi. I will be using this and as a planting medium. And look at that. Perfect planting environment. All right, it's Nature Not in the Family, signing out.